I'm going to show you how to take an email and quickly set it up and put it into your calendar. A lot of people may not know this. I see that I have an email and I want to take it and make an appointment from it without having to switch tabs. And so what I'm going to do, I know it's going to be on the 21st from 2:30 to 3:15, and so I'm going to make sure I'm on that email, and I'm going to go to the three dots that are up at the top of my Gmail, and I'm going to go down to create event. This is going to open up my calendar, and then I'm able to change my date. You can see the body of the email that I was on is in here, and I can change my date to the 21st, or if I want to just find a time, I can go ahead and find what day or week that I'd like to do that just by manipulating my calendar here. But since I know it's going to be the 21st, I'm going to click there, and then the time from 2:30 to 3:15, I can go ahead and change the heading if I want to, and then all I have to do is hit save. I can remove my guests if I want, so this is just for me, but I go ahead and hit save, and that's it.